Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel again. Okay, so today we are going to have a look at past month performance of an April month. Okay, so our intraday's performance for the month of an April. Okay, so due to some personal travel and I was busy with some personal stuff, so because I'm not able to record the videos on a daily basis. Okay, so though like our Algo bot taken care of our entry and exits, all those stuffs. Okay, so I'm not able to record it. Okay, so I thought of recording the consolidated profit and loss statements for the month of an April. Okay, so if you guys are watching our videos for the first time, then I would request you guys to go through all our past videos. Okay, so for the intraday, and also we have posted lot many educational videos related to one market, lot many strategies as well. Okay, so you can just go through to our playlist and you can just look at the market outlooks, hedging strategies, lot many option strategies we have placed, and technical analysis, all those stuff we have posted. Okay, so if you guys have a look at this, so you will come to know that. Okay, so you can just go through it. If you guys are not yet subscribed, then just you can subscribe to our channel, and also like you can watch lot many videos which we posted earlier. Okay, so you can just go through it, and we are doing this intraday using our Algo trading bot, and I'm providing this trading bot for free of cost. Okay, so you can just visit to our website letslearntrading.com, and you can find out how to enroll to our free Algo trading bots. Okay, so only thing is you have to just click on this link and you have to open an AliceBlue account with us, and then you can just WhatsApp me at 73052262224. Okay, yeah. So now let's move into our trade details. Okay, so this month March, it's April. Okay, so April, it's a loss making month. Okay, so because like market was moving completely up and down on a daily basis. Okay, so because market was a bit volatile, and also like VIX was too down and there is no much premiums available, so we are not able to gain some good profit, but market was moving both up and down, so that triggered both the side stop losses on a daily basis. Okay, so the loss for the month is around 95,357 rupees. Okay, so overall. Okay, so we have traded for around 19 days in total. Okay, so for the net 19 days, it's a loss of around 95,000 rupees. Okay, so number of days traded is 19 out of 19 days. Okay, so it's a total 19 trading days, and we have not so there is not a single trade, a single day we have skipped our trade. Okay, and number of profit days 5 days, and number of loss making days 14 days. Okay, so which is huge in this month. Okay, so but that's fine, because like we should expect, we should be prepared for accepting the loss of at least 3 to 4 months in a year. Okay, so that's fine for us. Okay, and max profit we gained is 9,491, so which was in the day of 13th April on Wednesday, and the max loss happened is 19,072 rupees, which happened on the day of 29th of April, which is on the last trading day. Okay, so this is the trading curve. Okay, so we can see on the first day it was in the profit of 6,000, but henceforth it was keep on moving down and it was in a continuous loss. Okay, so and it closed with a loss of around 95,000 rupees. Okay, so capital utilized is almost near to 13 lakh, so the loss percentage is like 7.33%, which is the loss of around 95,357 rupees. Okay, so we used to trade for 6 lots, 4 lots in the Nifty and 2 lots in the Bank Nifty. Okay, so let's have a look at an yearly monthly wise for the overall profit and loss. Okay, so overall, like we are in the net loss of around 36,354 rupees for now, because like in the month of Jan it's 17,000 profit, and 53,000 in the month of Feb, and then March it is a loss of around 11,000 rupees, and April it is the loss of almost 95,000 rupees. Okay, so overall the net cumulative profit is in the loss of 36,354 rupees. Okay, so that's fine. So overall we are in the loss of almost near to 3% for the year till now. So we have 8 more months in the 2022. So hopefully we'll be coming out of that. Coming out with the profit in the upcoming months. Okay, so let's wait and watch for that. Okay, and hope you guys are liking our videos, and like maybe like I'm might be not able to post the videos on a daily basis, but I'll try to post videos at least weekly once. Okay, so that like we can have a look at the uh, look at the profit and loss which we made for the past weeks, and then like again like on the month end we'll make one videos for the monthly profit and loss statements. Okay, so this is for this month, so it's pretty much good loss I would say, but that's fine, so we can surely we can overcome it. Okay, so now coming back to our algo trading bot. So for now the bot was been created for an option selling, and also there is a bot which is in progress, and I'm doing it in the doing the forward testing for option buyings as well. Okay, so this is option buying is only for the Nifty for now. Okay, so you can get that as well in the future. Okay, so to enroll that, the only thing you have to do is you have to open an account with us so that you can get it for free of cost. Okay, and also like if you open an AliceBlue account with us, you will also be getting 10% of the brokerage discount for the first 1 month. Okay, and we are an authorized sub broker of an AliceBlue, so whatever the needful things you want to get from the AliceBlue, you can get it through us as well. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, friends, and hope you guys are liking our videos. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, just kindly subscribe to it and just go through these option trading playlist videos where you will find lot many useful videos for sure. Okay, so thank you, friends, and happy trading.